This is DJI Mini 5 Pro, and today I'll show how you can manage or change the shooting focus mode or shooting focus parameters on this drone. So to start, you will obviously need to enter the DJI Fly interface, look at the shutter button to your right, and to the left of it you'll find the icon, which is by default set at this like landscape mode, so it's not really obvious that it actually is responsible for managing focus, but by tapping at this icon repeatedly you can manage your focus mode and switch it between manual, automatic or autofocus, or this like landscape focus mode, I guess. You can also touch and hold to open this adjustment slider and set the focus manually just like that. As you can see now, this little pot with an artificial plant is in focus. Everything is good. And that's about it. So should you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye bye.